Today, I feel real pity for you guys because you're going to hear me lecture about communication skills. Sorry, guys, the manual demands it. It asked me to talk about the communication style of my personal communication style or the style which I admire. So, here is your ray of hope. I'm not going to talk about my personal communication style, but I'll be using a few familiar examples. The research material in this manual says there are 4 different communication styles. I abbreviated it as SADI, SADI, supportive, analytical, direct, and initiative. Supportive is defined as calm, approachable, gentle, and analytical style. Analytical is a communication style which is analytical, logical, and exact, precise. So direct communication is independent and confident, and initiative is sociable, energetic, and fun-loving. So now imagine that the renewal time is up for membership, and our VPM gets into action into supportive communication style. Imagine me as a VPM and there as a member. So the VPM, hey buddy, superb speech, man. I totally loved it. By the way, may I remind you that we have limited vouchers for the early bird renewals? Yeah, I have been thinking about it. I'm also thinking about joining my corporate club. Buddy, of course, you have all the liberty to take your decision. But let me explain you. Do you think that joining a corporate club is better than a community club? Just imagine, man, seeing the same faces, working along with them, and then socializing them with them in a meeting room. That's going to be a boring one for you. Think about the energy you get here in the community club. You get to befriend the diverse personalities. You get to experience a bit of all their expertise. Knowledge sharing is huge and maximum here. You're already in your level 4, man. I strongly recommend you to stick with your club at least until you complete this part. The VPM here is calm, sincere, and approachable. A truly exemplary for supportive communicator. So now imagine the VPM into analytical communicator. Bro, time's up for the term, man. I hope you wish to continue your journey. May I remind you about the membership due dates? Yeah, bro, I'm thinking about it. The travel is getting hectic for me every Sunday, so I'm considering to joining a club which is nearby my home. Yeah, bro. Look, let me tell you, this is one of the best clubs in the city, and I know where you reside. And I certainly have an idea about which club you're planning to join, okay? So let me clarify you about the facts. Their club doesn't even have a DTM, and they still charge 800 rupees more than you. And I also know that you're a big foodie. Just don't fall for their budgies and samosas after the meeting. Even though we charge 800 rupees less, and give you a biscuit packet, you still save an 800 rupees. You can order samosas and bhajis from Gangotri and have it home delivered via Swiggy for the next 15 Sundays. So the VPM here is crystal clear about the facts and logical, more like an evaluator from our CSF. So now the VPM dons a hat for an initiative communicator. Hey, what's up, girl? How you doing? Did you happen to see my flyer about the early bird offers going on? I thought I'll remind you about that. The early birds get an amazing discount of 200 rupees, and you know what all you can get with the 200 rupees? You get to save a month subscription of Netflix, man. Oh yeah, girl. Oh yeah, man. That's an amazing flyer. And do you know I really don't care about much about the discounts. Oh, yes, girl, I totally know that. I know you don't give a damn about discounts and definitely not about just paying that 4,500 rupees. I'm sure you're going to take it from your Gucci handbag and give it to me by cash now. I got a call. Bye. Hey, wait, girl, we can still make a deal. Hey, wait. So the VPM here initiated a talk about how his poster was, but eventually got a bad. So let's move on to the direct communicator style. So the VPM who is going to talk to a member who is a direct communicator here. Okay. Hey macha, renewals da, Google Pay or cash da? No da, I'm not renewing this time. I'm renewing at the other club. Hey, why da? You know you're a very good standing member of this club. Hey, wait, I worked out everything. I'm not renewing this time. Okay, anyways, I'll remind you on the last day. Maybe if you change your mind. Not required. I made up my mind. So 3 days later, the VPM calls up the member, and then the member wakes up in the morning 9 a.m. and VPM, I'm not renewing this time, okay? Hey man, I didn't call you for the renewals, man. The PR posted your birthday flyers. I thought I called you to wish you a happy birthday, man. Oh, really? Okay, thank you. Bye. So this is how it is. So the member the member here is a very direct communicator, and he is very confident and independent about taking his decision. So let me remind you. So whatever communication style you have, ultimately the goal is to effectively convey the intended message in a manner that the other person also interprets correctly. One advice I would like to pass here: see, whatever communication style is, always stick to it. Just stick with your own communication style and personality. Don't try to change it for others. Don't try to don this multiple hats. Don't try. I mean, not everybody can be a VPM or VP. Over to you, TMOD.
Thank you, Toastmaster Vigneshwaran ji. Our next speaker is Toastmaster Vivek.